I'm going to talk about the various town and urban planning departments. Okay, we have had the discussions about urbanization, building a city, what are the features that are required to build a city, and what are the components, like the important aspects that are involved. So now, having spoke about this, we should have spoken this first. Which are the departments that are involved in planning a city? Well, I'm going to tell you the hierarchy, how it starts. In the central government, it is the Ministry of Urban Development. The Ministry of Urban Development, the name itself says, it is the one which is going to take care of the planning and development with related to the urban cities. No matter what, all the cities come under the Ministry of Urban Development. They have some funds reserved for that, which they will be in turn releasing it to the state governments or to the through the respective channels. They will be releasing it to the state governments, and through the state governments, the local governments. Okay, then. Likewise, there are two in development. In the Ministry of Development, there are two. That is, one is Ministry of Urban Development and Ministry of Rural Development. Since our primary focus is on for urban areas, I'll be talking more about Ministry of Urban Development. Okay, under this Ministry of Urban Development, there is something called Town and Country Planning. As you know that, and also about the local government. When I'm speaking, I'm just going to talk about only the Bangalore part, because I more or less assume that this similar model is being implemented in all the other cities, because I can't speak about each and every city what exactly, but I'll just talk about what is happening in Bangalore, and maybe you can go and find out what is exactly happening in your respective cities. The town and the country planning, there is like town and country planning under the Ministry of Urban Development, which takes care of all the in development of infrastructure, and laying of roads, and the master plans, designs and layout plans for the respective cities. MOUD, Ministry of Urban Development. Under the Ministry of Urban Development, there is Town and Country Planning Organization. There is one minister for this, and there is an under secretary to the minister, and there are joint secretaries and many various other people who are working with it, officials. So the funds come from Ministry of Urban Development to the state government. Again, under state government, apart from this, there is again a planning section. There is a planning section, Ministry of Planning. Under the planning section, there are many various divisions like planning for finance, planning for the budget, and planning for the external resource. The debts. And likewise, there is another department, planning for infrastructure planning board for the city. Again, this both are central government departments, under mutual coordination they work and release funds to the state government. Again, under the state government, I am going to talk about Karnataka. Under the state government, in Karnataka there is a board called District Planning Division. Likewise, in other states also there will be more or less the same boards, but it will be with a different name. District Planning Division. And there is also other board, that is Directorate of Town Planning. What these two boards do is, with the funds allocated and with also the self-generated funds, they plan and develop a city. Okay, and in turn, the state government will release funds to the local government. Now I am going to talk about Bangalore. In Bangalore, we have like three departments, that are three divisions which are going to jointly develop the city. One is the BDA, Bangalore Development Authority. I am sure the various other cities will also be having a developmental authority, and the corporation, that is BBMP, local government. There are three: BDA, BBMP and BMRDA. Okay, these three. So in addition to, the Ministry of Urban Development releases funds to state government in consultation with the planning commission, and this again jointly they will plan and develop a city, under this there comes various cities, including of all the metropolitan cities, tier 1 cities, tier 2 cities, like that, including towns. And under the state, the cities that are there in the towns, in the states, and these will release funds, in turn will release funds to the various districts in the state. So now I am talking about more about like Bangalore, like how does these three divisions work. when I was going through, the count was close to like 30, 35, 40. There are various planning divisions across various ministries that are reserved. For example, there is one is Ministry for Water Development Board is there, Ministry for like Electricity Board is there. So likewise, there are many boards. These all boards in joint coordination, they develop a city. This is when 30 to 40 boards or commissions are there in central government, and 15 to 20 are there in state governments, and then in city there is, as of now, Bangalore city, there is only 3. One, what is this exactly? See, as you when the city started, it was only this. It's a small limit within like max to max around like a 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer or 6 kilometer vicinity radius will. Then what happened? Parallelly, there are other towns you can call, other towns that started developing along with this, and since the population was more concentrated here, more concentration here, there was a what do you call a corporation that was set up. Okay, that is BBMP. It was called BBMP. It is called BMP. It's not BMC. Bangalore Mahanagara Palike. Now it is BBMP. So BMP. That was the one which was set up earlier, I mean like some 10 years back. Then what happened? Because of rapid urbanization, inflow of population, this started expanding. As and when the city started expanding, there must be one authority who expands the city so that they will be having a good infrastructure of these roads, proper supply of electricity and laying of this water pipeline and all. So that task, and also construction of flyovers and all, that task was taken by BDA. So BDA, what does BDA do? BDA develops the city in consultations with various departments like water, electricity department and all. So what does BDA do? BDA acquires the land in and around BBMP, they make layouts. This is called Bangalore Development. They make layouts and they sell these lands to the people, they auction the sites to the people, and they make sure that the city is developed in a hassle-free way. So this is BDA. Now, there are other cities in and around Bangalore, other cities, tier 2 cities you can call. For example, we have Anekal, tier city, Osurya, 2, 3, 4. There is this again, the city, the expansion of the city doesn't stop at this point. It is expanding. So this task is taken over by the BMRDA. Bangalore Metropolitan Regional Development Authority. This task is taken by BMRDA. This is taken by BMRDA. What does BMRDA do? They in turn make sure that the connect with this city, they build flyovers, they ensure that congestion free traffic, and they do a proper planning, and they make layout designs and whatever, again in consultations with the various departments, water, electricity and all. And also in addition to that, they also work closely with the all the departments. For example, BMRDA and BDA, they work very closely with the Industrial Development Board to make sure that there are equal opportunities for like job opportunities by making industrial zones across, so that this particular industries will not be concentrated in one part, so that the city will start going into only, just like for example in Bangalore, the most development is happening towards Whitefield and Electronic City. Why is it? Because of a lot of concentration of IT. The same way, they make sure that if this was concentrated all over across the Bangalore, there will be equal development happening. So they make sure in consultation with the various boards set up by the governments that this will be developed in a hassle-free way. So this is how the structure works. For Bangalore, BBMP is Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike. Earlier it was BMP, means Bangalore Mahanagara Palike. Okay, the corporation of the Bangalore. Since it was expanding, Bruhat is bigger.